Hello, today we are going to solve one question or answer one question from WBCS Mains General Studies paper 3. So let's see what is in this question. The 96-year-old man who was captured and beheaded at Talikota or Bannihati in 1565 was Ramaraja, Krishnadevaraya, Bukkavan or Saluva Narsimha. So here we just not only try to give you the right answer but also try to give a small description about it. So let's get into the answer. In the Battle of Talikota, which had seemed an easy victory for the large Vijayanagar army, for an easy victory for the large Vijayanagar army, instead became a disaster instead became a disaster following the surprise capture and death of became a disaster following the surprise capture and death of Aliya Ramaraja or Aliya Rama Raya, sorry. The Battle of Talikota 1565 was a watershed battle fought between watershed battle fought between the Hindu Vijayanagar Empire and the Islamic Deccan Sultanates. The battle took place at Talikota. The battle took place at Talikota, today a town in northern Karnataka. Today a town in northern Karnataka, about 80 kilometers to the southeast from the city of Bijapur. To the southeast from the city of Bijapur. The defeat of Vijayanagar Empire followed subsequent destruction and looting, which became short-lived before the mighty successor of Ramaraya. Which become short-lived before the mighty successors of Ramaraya. Therefore, option 1 is the correct answer. So that's all. Thank you very much.